Thanks for logging on to abc15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We're tracking two disturbances, one that brings a cold front into our state tomorrow, and then another one this weekend. Expect gusty winds today out ahead of that cold front, and then cooler temperatures to finish out the week. High pressure breaking down as we see a trough of low pressure developing across the Pacific Northwest. That will send a disturbance our way, and a cold front swings through by tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll feel the difference. Today we warm back into the 80s, but tomorrow a high of only 71 degrees, and Friday will still be in the 70s, a little closer to the average for this time of year, but cooler weather to finish out the week. Now ahead of that cold front, expect some gusty winds today, tomorrow some breezes, and tomorrow a slight chance of a shower too. We'll talk more about those rain chances in just a bit, but let's talk winds, because in the valley this afternoon and this evening, our sustained winds will likely be coming in out of the west-southwest between about 10 and 20 miles an hour. Gusts at times could peak near 25 to 30 miles an hour. So breezy to gusty here as we go into the later afternoon and evening. Up north, breezes will be much stronger. In fact, winds will be stronger with gusts as high as 40 to 45 miles an hour in spots like Flagstaff. So some strong crosswinds, certainly a possibility, especially if you're traveling eastbound or westbound up in the high country. And in northwest Arizona, that's where we're going to feel the strongest wind gusts, with gusts as high as 50 miles an hour in some areas across Mojave County. That does include spots like Kingman and Bullhead City. Those areas in the tan under a wind advisory through tonight, early tonight, as those are the areas where we're going to get the strongest winds. Now, as far as those rain and snow chances, today we are looking to stay dry across the valley with maybe just a stray shower up north near the Grand Canyon. Today, mostly sunny in the Phoenix area. Tomorrow, we will see a little bit more cloud cover, and as that cold front approaches, we'll see some snow showers developing along the rim with that colder air filtering in, I should say, behind that cold front. Some snow showers possible in the Flagstaff area. Here in the valley, we'll see a little bit of a an increase in clouds. Maybe we squeeze out a stray shower. Our potential is pretty low, but there is a 10% chance through tomorrow morning of a shower here in the valley. Light snow showers continue into the early afternoon in the high country. Then we're dry Thursday afternoon, dry on Friday ahead of our weekend disturbance. So for the valley tomorrow, just a 10% chance of an isolated shower. In the high country, expect some strong winds today, a slight chance for rain today, but then snow levels will drop tomorrow to around 5,500 feet, and accumulations, they look to be light. Spots like Flagstaff picking up maybe an inch or less. So not a super impressive storm system, but regardless, the winds will be an issue today, and then eventually the cooler air will move in. Our valley rain chances just at 10% tomorrow. Friday looks dry. Our next cold front comes in Saturday into Sunday, and that one is looking to be dry too, as that main storm system will likely be too north to really bring any significant changes our way, aside from some cooler air through the weekend. Today, a high of 83 degrees, stronger winds, again, some high clouds off to our south, but overall mostly sunny and not seeing that cloud cover that we saw yesterday. Valley highs will end up in the low 80s, 81 for Surprise, Queen Creek. You top out at 84, 81 in Scottsdale. Across the state, expect highs to make it into the upper 60s from Sedona to Payson, mid 60s in Show Low, 54 for a high today in Flagstaff, and then again those 80s across central and southern Arizona. Still warm today, and then going into tonight with some of those lingering breezes, temperatures will only cool into the 30s and 40s up north, with lows down into the mid 50s across central Arizona. As you look at those lows, we'll start off a little cooler tomorrow morning, and then our daytime high only makes it to 71 degrees tomorrow with partly cloudy skies, a slight chance of a shower. Friday, drier, temperatures still in the 70s. This weekend, with that next disturbance, we'll see another drop in temperatures. We'll go from 70 on Saturday into the upper 60s on Sunday, and then we start to warm back up, low to upper 70s Monday and Tuesday.